Good day guys, it's another video from Bmkshots, and today I'll be showing you guys a simple color grading I did on this picture. So I used Capture One for this color grading, and some of you are new to color grading and some of you are also new to Capture One. I'll do more videos on Capture One later on. So the first thing I did was to come to color balance, and you can access it from these local adjustments, then color balance. So the first thing I did was to take this and like drag it, increase this, then bring this, okay, just bring it down like to this point a little. That's for the highlights. So the mid-tone, what I did here was take this to like this point, and that's cool. Yeah, that's cool. So the shadow, what I did to the shadow was to like bring it this way, and boom, we have a good color grading already. So then the picture was a little bit blurry, so I just increased the sharpening, the amount a little, 100. So that's all. Then I export as variants. So it will create another folder, subfolder. I named it treated, then quality 100, export. So it's done. Okay, so that's all. I'll do frequent videos. I'll do videos on Capture One later on. So guys, that will be all. Until next time, I wish you all good luck and good editing.